Halo semua, welcome back to my channel. This week's batch cooking starts with me staring at the fridge, not because I'm lost, but because I always check what I have left before planning my meals. This helps reduce waste and make sure I use everything efficiently. Next step, writing down the menu. I like to categorize my meals into breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. This keeps everything organized and balanced. Before diving into the actual cooking, I like to prepare everything in advance. So I take out all the ingredients, weigh them and wash and chop some vegetables, all ready to go. I'm starting with the first dish, red lentils and green stew. First I cook onions with tomato paste, then add the greens and let them soften. Once they are covered, I pour in some water and add red lentils, followed by potatoes and a vegetable bouillon cube as well, letting that simmer while moving on to the next recipe. Now on to breakfast prep. This will be chia pudding. Super simple, just add oats, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and soy milk. Give it a good mix and then pop it in the fridge to thicken up while we continue cooking. Back to our stew. It's time to add lapin beans for extra protein. Let it cook for a bit longer, then it's done. Store it in Tupperware and it's ready for the week. Next recipe will be a healthy bean brownie. Yes, you heard that right. Into a blender I add kidney beans with eggs, wholemeal flour, cacao powder and skimmed milk. Blend it all together, then mix in some baking powder. I pour the batter into a regular mold. And top it with some almonds. Then it just goes to the oven at 180 degrees. While that's in the oven, I make banana and spirulina pancakes. First smash the banana, then mix in the eggs. Without letting the fork fall into the dough like I did. Next, I add oatmeal, peanut flour and spirulina. If you don't know, spirulina is packed with protein and really good nutrients, so it's a really good element to add to your preparation. Then I mix in some cottage cheese and baking powder. I cook them in a pan, and with this recipe I've got about 10 pancakes ready for breakfast for the week. The bean brownies are done, and just look how beautiful it turned out. Now, let's take a little cleaning break. Batch cooking means a bit of chaos in the kitchen, so tie-dyeing up before continuing helps make space and also keeps me sane. Next recipe, a plant-based protein dish with some TVP meatball. I mixed textured vegetable protein with onions and wholemeal flour. I shaped them into balls with the help of this mold, and then I bake them in the air fryer. This will be paired with fusilli, spinach and some tomato sauce for a delicious meal. Next recipe, some red bean tacos. I smashed then some kidney beans and spread them on a wholemeal tortilla. On half of them I add tomato, on the other half I add red bell pepper. Then I add some cottage cheese. I fold it in half and toast each side in a pan. Our last recipe will be a Nori sushi style wrap. I lay out a Nori sheet, spread some cooked rice, and add some tofu slices with some carrot, cucumber, and lettuce. Rolling it tightly, I use a bit of water to seal the edge, and it's already done. Now back to our chia pudding. It's thickened up beautifully, as you can see. I top it with some homemade strawberry jam and fresh kiwi. It's perfect for a quick, nutritious breakfast or snack. And that's it, all meals are prepped. I even sliced one of the nori wraps into sushi style pieces and made a quick sauce using soy sauce, peanut flour, water, and some sesame seeds. Now, time for the most satisfying moment, closing all the Tupperwares and sticking them neatly in the fridge. This entire batch cooking session took just about 2 hours, but it will save me so much time during the week. I will alternate the dishes between lunch and dinner and do the same for breakfast and snacks. I always eat the fresher ingredient first, while the rest will stay good in the fridge for several days. Batch cooking is a game changer. It saves time, money, and energy, and it keeps me on track with balanced, nutritious meals throughout the week. So if you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this meal prep video. Let me know in the comments which recipe you would try first. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao!